Hey everyone, I'm Sarah Priebus, and today we're going to learn how to properly operate and maintain your double hung windows. Double hung windows might seem simple on the surface, but can quickly become confusing if you're not aware of a few things. So let's walk through some of our most frequently asked questions to help you troubleshoot some of the issues you might face. First, let's go over locking and unlocking your window. Now, you might notice that this double hung window looks slightly different than yours, but don't worry. Most double hung windows come in a variety of shapes and sizes and operate very similarly. First, let's start with unlocking. So go ahead and flip the lock or locks in the middle to the open position, and then make sure you can open the top and bottom sash. If you flip the locks but aren't able to open the window, check to make sure you don't accidentally have one lock engaged and the other disengaged. This will prevent the window from opening and closing properly. To lock the window, make sure the top and bottom sashes are fully closed before flipping the latch to the locked position. If the latch is flipped to the lock position without either sash being seated, it'll prevent the window from fully closing. It may also pull the top sash down and misalign the locking assembly. To fix this, make sure both locks are pushed to the unlocked position. Push up on the top sash and down on the bottom sash to realign the locking assembly. Then flip the locks back to the locked position. If you're not able to reach the top sash of your window to close it fully, a trick you can use is to open the vent latches to use the bottom sash to close the top sash. Now that you know how to open, close, lock, and unlock your windows, let's talk about the tilt feature. This convenient feature allows you to clean the outside of your windows from the inside. On this window, you'll notice the tilt feature is built into the lock, but on other windows, you might have a tilt latch, which is separate from the lock, like in the top sash of this window. To do this properly, make sure you lift the window sash 3 to 4 inches above the sill. Then push both locks inward and simultaneously pull the top of the sash towards you. Now slide the top sash down to where you can comfortably reach the tilt latches. Be careful to leave enough room between the bottom sash and the top sash. Press the tilt latches inward and make sure to support both sides of the sash while lowering. Now you can easily clean the outside portion of both the top and bottom sash. When you're finished with the top sash, keep it level and horizontal while snapping it back into place. The same goes for the bottom sash. Lift, snap, and seat it into place. Make sure your window locks and you're good to go. To recap, we talked about how to open, close, lock, unlock, tilt, and clean your double hung windows. If this video helped you, we recommend subscribing to our YouTube channel for additional product and troubleshooting information. For anything else, please call us at 888-REMODEL or visit our website at powerhrg.com. Thanks for watching.